subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Welcome guys, welcome to the fifth Java tutorial. In this tutorial we are learn something about scanner or taking inputs from the user, how the users input in any Java program. So for this we have a term scanner. Scanner in the Java does work of scan any of the thing which we passed by the keyboard. Okay, so first of all we want to import scanner. So how to import we check our, so import util dot scanner. Okay, by this line we can import import a scanner in our Java program. Okay, so first of all we have to define our main class. So public static void main. So in this main class we first define our scanner. Okay, so scanner, and after the scanner we have to define, and we have to introduce a variable called my name Latesh. Okay, after the variable assigned a value equals to new scanner it dot in. What the line means is the scanner we want to import, and Latesh is the variable in which we want to store our value. Okay, and what is system dot in? System dot in means system dot input. Input from our computer we have to input by our keyboard. So by this line we want to conclude that our input is saved. Our input is saved in variable Latesh. Okay, so print the so for getting any line, first of all we have to print something. Okay, so system dot out we have to return our variable, that is Latesh. Here what is the role of next line? Is that it given a line, for our output. Okay, so first of all run the program. Type Latesh. Here is our input and here is our output. Okay, so what we do is just a simple thing. First of all we have input our scanner. After that we define a class. In the class we define a main function. In the main function we define our variable in which our input is saved, input is stored. Okay, after that we give a line for our output. Okay, so this is all about taking input from user in the Java. Okay, so see you on next Java tutorial, which is 6th. Okay, so see you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching our video, and like and subscribe our video as as much as you can. Thank you.